So Yami sent in a monitor and then here to give you an honest review sa monitor na to. TLDR, mas madami ka pa mabibiling mas magandang monitor compared to this sa price na binibigay nila. First things first, in an era na halos bezel-less na ang mga monitor, you have one chunky bezel here, pero others might prefer it for added protection sa monitor nila. Next up, they claim na LED ang display na to. Mind you, IPS lang to, and if that's supposed to be LED, I'm not so sure. Next up, as you can see, it does have a reflective screen compared dito sa atin na nakamat lang. And pagdating sa color production nito, going here, mapapansin yung nagbi-bleed out na agad ang colors niya with some whites compared doon sa atin na tamang-tama pa rin. I would give it some points though dahil kahit plastic lang yung base nito, it does have quite a manageable angle adjustment. But here's the really big kicker. It claims to have 75 Hz ng display, but in reality, you don't really get to enjoy that dahil one, you get skewed up to this na naka 1280 by 1024 ka lang, and second, it doesn't really look or feel that good. And trying to force it back to 1080p, well, let me just show you what happens when you do that. Keep it, and you're way back to 60 Hz again. Medyo mahirap i-recommend yung monitor na to, especially sa price na nilalagay nila, which is 3.5. Kasi with an additional 400 lang or 300, you can actually get a 100 Hz LG monitor tulad ng ginagamit ko right now. But there is an item on their catalog na pwede kong ma-recommend na sakto ang build quality sa price na nilagay nila for it. And that's their monitor arm na ginagamit ko right now sa LG ko, and kayang-kaya niya magbuhat kahit mabigat ang monitor nito. Plus, may nakalagay pa akong lamp sa kanya. I've added cards para sa dalawang item na to, so feel free to check them out, though I highly recommend the monitor arm if you wanna level up your setup.